Yeah, who's ready to get wet at Niagara Falls? First, we need to walk down this path. Can you hear the falls in the distance? Thundering noise. Hey, check out some of these pretty fall colors as we are approaching the Niagara Falls Promenade. Many years ago, I took the Maid of the Mist boat tour ride up to Niagara Falls, and boy did I get wet. I'm ready to do it again, except this time the Maid of the Mist has been sold to the American side of Niagara Falls. On the Canadian side, we take the Hornblower and get up and close and very wet. Hey, check it out! That's the Maid of the Mist! Unfortunately, the mist from Niagara Falls was just too wet for me to keep my phone out and take longer videos. Hot air balloon isn't really a hot air balloon, it's actually tethered. But they get a good view of